So guys, in this video I will show you how to connect your mobile phone through the Bluetooth with your Hero Xtreme 125R dual channel ABS. So my son is actually recording the video. I will request Prince to come forward. Come here, Prince. Let us show them the screen first.
Yes, okay.
The screen is visible, na? So we have to get this Hero app. I'm on my iPhone 16. You can do it in your iPhone or your Android devices. Just go for this Hero app over here, and once you install this particular app, you need to register it with your mobile number, the mobile number that you have used to register your bike. That is very important. So yes, once the registration is done, if you can see on my screen also, I'll give that screen recording as well. I have to turn on the Bluetooth, so I'll go to the settings. The Bluetooth is on, and show them the console meter over there. Right, so the console meter, the Bluetooth is already enabled in it. It's already on by default. So over here, let's show them the mobile now, beta. So once you turn on the Bluetooth, you have to go to the Hero app again. Okay, please check your Bluetooth connection. Oh my god. Okay, please. Okay, I have not turned on my Bluetooth. It's my fault. Okay, now the Bluetooth is turned on. Okay, so yeah, see, my bike is coming over here. That says my Iron Man, right? So tap on that, select a device. You will see I have nicknamed this my Iron Man. I say connect. Okay, now the pairing. Show them the screen. A number is appearing over here. You have to enter this particular number in your phone also. So I'm doing that. Okay, show them the screen. Okay, now it's paired. Okay, it says my service is due. Okay, I'll do the service later on. But this is a navigation. This is a send SOS, my trips and everything. So to do navigation, I click on navigation over here, and I search the destination that I have to go. And suppose I have to go to Dankuni rail station. Suppose like that, it's 2 kilometers near me, something like that. So if I click on navigate, after that, wait, yeah, if I click on navigate, and now you will see the navigation will come over here. So once I shoot this particular video again through my GoPro, I will show you the turn-by-turn navigation that it offers. So this is a way to turn on the turn-by-turn navigation by clicking on
Turn
start
right.
over here. So it says turn right.
left.
You will see that it says turn right, the turn left. These indications are already coming. So the turn-by-turn navigation does work. The real-time review, I'll do it once a year. It also shows you the estimated time of arrival and also the distance to reach it. So for now I'm just closing it, and I'll see if the call is working or not. Okay, the call is coming, and now it says unknown. If the number is not saved, it will say unknown. Okay, so it cannot read my iOS. That is a security feature in my iOS. I will do one thing. It shows that the unknown number is calling over here, because if your number is not saved, it's showing unknown. I think it's not able to bypass iOS security, so that is the reason, because my wife's name is already saved over here, as you can see. Okay dude, the call is coming, and again it shows unknown. I think if it is in an Android phone, maybe it can bypass the security through that, and it will show the caller name over here. Because the iOS security, it is showing unknown even though my wife's number is saved. Anyways, it actually helps. It works, as you can see over there. So the Bluetooth pairing is also done, and you can see a Bluetooth indicator is coming over here, the blue one, as you can see. And when a call is coming, you will see that the call one, that particular button is also getting highlighted. Same thing will happen for SMS, I'm sure. So that's it guys, it's an easy peasy way. And the beast of a bike, which is this Hero Xtreme 125R, it can give you a hell lot of features with a Bluetooth connectivity connected with your phone. That will be it guys for this particular video. Stay tuned for more and more updates with this Iron Man Hero Xtreme 125R 125R dual channel ABS. It's our beauty. Stay tuned. Bye guys.
Bye.